Assalamualaikum. Hi children. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine and happy with your family at home. I am Teacher Azie. Okay children, before we start our class today, let's recite doa penerang hati and doa di waktu pagi first. Okay? Now let's recite doa penerang hati first. Okay? Come follow teacher. We recite together, right? Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Jangan lupa doa waktu pagi, okey? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a wa rizqan thayyiba wa amalan mutaqabbala. Okey, doa ni maksudnya kita memohon kepada Allah ilmu yang bermanfaat, rezeki yang luas dan amalan kita diterima Allah. Amin. Okay children, can we start our class? Alright. For today's hafazan, you need to memorize surah At-Takasur from Juzuk Amma. You know Juzuk Amma is the juzuk yang ke-30 dalam Al-Quran. So later you can memorize this surah with your parents. Okay, let's say if you cannot memorize all the ayat for this surah, it's okay. You can take your time, okay? Because you're still small, don't worry. But still you need to practice, okay? Day by day you can practice, okay? If you just listen, also you can get pahala, alright? Okay children, hari ni teacher nak ceritakan tentang satu kisah yang sangat menarik tentang salah seorang Nabi kita, iaitu Nabi Syuaib alaihi salam. Siapa Nabi Syuaib tu? Okey, Nabi Syuaib tu merupakan Nabi yang ke-13 dalam 25 Nabi yang perlu kita ketahui. Okey. Sebenarnya Nabi Syuaib ni dikenali sebagai seorang yang berani dan yang lantang bersuara ketika menyampaikan dakwah ke jalan Allah. Okey, dia memang pandai bercakap lah nak ajak orang buat kebaikan. Tetapi walau bagaimanapun ada umat dia yang degil, yang tak nak je dengar cakap Nabi Syuaib. Nabi Syuaib suruh ikut ajaran Allah, tak nak. Lepas tu Nabi Syuaib pun tetap bersabar. Nabi Syuaib ajak lagi buat baik. Dia tak nak juga buat baik. Lepas tu Nabi Syuaib pun berdoalah kepada Allah. Jadi Allah pun bagi petunjuk dekat Nabi Syuaib. Allah suruh Nabi Syuaib pindah dari tempat tu, pergi tempat lain. Okey, daripada tempat dengan orang degil tu, Allah suruh Nabi Syuaib pindah ke tempat lain. Jadi siapa yang tak degil tu, dia ikutlah Nabi Syuaib. Yang degil tu dia tunggu kat situ juga, kat tempat tu, sebab tak nak dengar cakap kan. Jadi bila Nabi Syuaib pindah je tempat lain, Allah pun terus turunkan bala, binasakan golongan yang degil ni. Sebab tu kita tak boleh degil tau, Allah tak suka. Kalau teacher cakap ke, ibu cakap, ayah cakap, kita kena dengar, kita tak payah degil. Kita kena jadi orang, kita kena jangan cakap lah, jadi Allah sayang. Kalau kita degil, tengok kan Allah dah binasakan kaum Nabi Syuaib tu. Jadi Nabi Syuaib yang pindah ke tempat lain tu, Nabi Syuaib pun ajar orang lain pula jadi baik kat situ. Bila Nabi Syuaib ajar orang yang boleh dengar cakap tu, dia orang pun hidup bahagia kat situ. Okay? Okay children, now let's move on to Cawi lesson. Okay? You need to use this book. Alright? You check inside the plastic bag that I give to you, have one of this book. For sure have, right? So open this book, Jawi. Okay, you open, you turn to page 5. Look here, the page is here, page 5. Okay, this is about letter alif, huruf alif. Alif untuk atap. Okay, untuk huruf alif you need to sebut huruf Jawi, kemudian surih. Okey, maksudnya you need to say, cakap. Okey, you kena cakap, you kena baca, you kena sebut alif. Lepas tu you kena surih. Surih tu maksudnya trace. You kena tulis balik ikut ni. Okey, use your color pencil. So you join the dot here. The dotted line here you just join. Semua jadi alif. Okay, this is for page 5. Okay, now sebut huruf ba, cakap. Okay, now repeat after teacher say ba. This is ba. Okay, ba ada satu titik kat bawah dia. Ba for balloon. Okay, so yang ni pun sama. Dah sebut huruf ba, lepas tu you kena tulis lah. Surih tu kan, trace kan. Use colour pencil, trace. Okay, join dah bagi dot-dot ni. You just use your colour pencil, ikut balik. Okay, boleh? Very good. Now let's turn to page 7. This is page 7. Okay, just now we learn alif, ba, and after ba will be ta. Okay, kalau ba tadi ada satu dot kat bawah, satu titik kat bawah. Kalau ta, dia macam ba juga, tapi titik dia tak ada kat bawah. Titik dia kat atas. Ada 2 titik. Okay, this is ta. Okay, sebut huruf Jawi. So, sebutlah ta. Okay, now repeat after teacher say ta. Okay, ikut teacher cakap ta. Ta untuk tisu. Okay, so samalah. Dah baca ta tu, kenalah buat. Okay, take colour pencil buat cantik-cantik. Okay, ikut. Lepas tu kalau nak tukar lebih cantik lagi, ambil colour lain pula. Change colour. So, jadi colourful. Okay. Oops. Sorry children, I forgot to tell you something very important. Okay, before you start this one, look here. Teacher already teacher write for you Selasa, and the date, right? Teacher already write day and date for you. Use blue color. So as usual, you need to follow. Use your pencil. Okay, take your pencil and follow. I know you can do it because you are so clever. I know you can do it. So you just follow Selasa and the date. Alright, same goes to this page. Okay, this one. Here, follow Selasa, and this one the date. Okay, after that you can continue with your work. Alright? Okay children, before we end our Jawi lesson, now I want to do some revision. Teacher nak buat revision, nak tengok. Ingat tak apa yang teacher sebut tadi? I have flashcards at my hand. Now let's start with this one. Can you tell me ini huruf apa? Huruf apa ni? Tadi dah sebut dah. Huruf apa? Kita dengar. Huruf apa? Oh, very good. This is alif. Apa? Repeat after teacher say. Alif. Very good. Okay, after alif, what is this? Have one dot. Ada satu dot kat bawah ni. So, huruf apa ni? Huruf ba. Say ba. Okay, now repeat after teacher say ba. Very good. Cakap apa? Huruf apa ni? Sebut apa? Ba. Pandai. Okay, lepas huruf ba ada satu titik kan? Lepas huruf ba, huruf apa? Dia macam ba tapi ada 2 titik kat atas. Huruf apa tadi saya cakap? Huruf ta. Okay, now ikut teacher sebut huruf ta. Say ta. Pandai you all ni. Okay children, for art and craft, today you need to make a leopard. Teacher already give to you these materials, okay? Macam ni. Semua mesti dapat ni, okay? Teacher already pack for you. Jadi, you need to make the leopard using these things. Okay, nampak tak ni? This one you can open, okay? You open, buka ni. Boleh buka daripada dia punya paper ni kan? Buka. So, you can look here. Look at the first tag. After you buka, this one you kena lipat. Nampak tak ni? You boleh lipat dua ni. Lipat bagi dia berdiri macam ni. Okay, later you can follow this one. Lipat selit ke sini. Okay? Lepas tu, bila dia siap, bila dia dah boleh berdiri, nampak tak gambar tu? Dah boleh berdiri. This one ada ekor, this one ekor dia. Nanti bila dia dah lipat macam ni, you masukkan ekor dia kat situ. Okay? Kita lekatkan dekat sini bahagian ekor, alright? Lepas tu, dah siap dah. Nah, tengok sini, nampak tak ada ni? Ada this one, I think this is black or maybe dark brown. I think black. So this one you can you boleh keluarkan macam tu. You buat dia punya misai untuk leopard tu. Buat misai untuk leopard tu. Okey, lekat dekat bahagian sinilah dia punya misai, alright. Lepas tu number 3, nampak tak tiba-tiba kat badan dia ada ni kan? This one. You need to use this one. Okey, nampak tak? Have pattern here. Nampak tak patterns ni? You need to, if you want to use scissors also can, but I think it's better you use your hand, okay? You koyak. So it's very good for your motor skill. Ada banyak skill sikit. Bila you koyak, tangan you jadi strong, okay? You will become strong person ever, Okay, you koyak dan you paste dekat body dia. Lepas tu you dapat tau. Wow, nice, beautiful leopard. Okay, so I hope you can do this with your parents. Alright. Okay children, I think that's all for today. I hope you will enjoy doing the activities at home. Alright. Don't forget to listen to your mother, listen to your father, take care of yourself. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and remember to click the notification bell to stay updated. See you soon. Bye.